Hello everyone. We will look at another article now. I will be able to talk to you on additive manufacturing applications in medical industries. Okay, so additive manufacturing is generally known and it has been there for some time, and then today it is being promoted as one of the industry 4.0. So let us look at this thing. Additive manufacturing applications are there in the other fields, but then today we will try and concentrate on the medical industry. It is a 3D process, and it is of making of components, and generally we understand that the process is layer by layer, and then it has revolutionized how manufacturing is to be done. Basically, there is a model, and from the model it has been sliced. So with the sliced data has been moved to the machine, and then the process of layer by layer manufacture happens. Okay, usually these procedures are also called as toolless process. Earlier, they were thought for only for prototyping, but now it has also got into the manufacturing sector, and then more for the continuous production also. We are able to get the metal components also done. Now, in the role of medical industry, let us see what it is being used for processes, which is called as the artificial limb, and some of the applications of this is also like you can print 3D organs. Now, 3D printing is used for development of new surgical cutting and then drill guides, prosthetics, as well as creation of patient-specific replicas of bones, organs, and blood vessels. Now, these things are generally scanned out, and then from the scanning they convert it into a solid model. From the solid model, again, it goes into the manufacturing forward engineering. Now, recent advances in the 3D printing in healthcare have led to lighter and stronger safe parts, reduced lead times, and lower costs. So this technology has come to stay. The technology is used in various orthopedic products, fabrication of customized maxillofacial processes. If there's an accident, we can make the similar shape. We can scan the other side and then mirror them, and then make the processes and also for in the dentistry. Additive manufacturing creates a satisfactory result for skeleton models, which provides a basic idea related to the medical work. Now, thanks to the process called bioprinting, right? Now, this bioprinting or the medical 3D printers are now available to print functional tissues. The tissues can be grown. So, at one side, the medical industry is looking for application. On the other side, the technology is of layer by layer printing is there. Then, the material science people are also helping in the entire process by bringing out tissue printing materials. Okay, so rather than using a metal or plastic, bioprinters can create models of living cells. They can be cultured, and then they can be made to grow. So soon the 3D printers in the medical field will be able to create tissue and to help with the skin grafting and reconstructive surgery. Now, medical material extrusion additive manufacturing has grown rapidly and in the tissue, and since its adoption in the 2000, many people or researchers started working on multiple areas, and 3D printing can be utilized to assemble functional tissue of cells and scaffolding forming materials. Now, for tissue engineering, ideal 3D printing construct would be like a growth directing structure, or on which cells could migrate and proliferate from the functional tissue. Now, luckily, due to the advancement of the technology, the three-dimensional printed organs have become a reality. In 2014 itself, California-based company called Organovo was the first to successfully engineer commercially available 3D printing human livers and kidneys. We have also seen earlier some kind of some case studies on conjoined twins, where prior to surgery, we can may have a model in hand to find out how I can separate the conjoint twins. Medical models, implants, tools, instruments, and parts of medical devices could be done. Medical aids, supportive guides, splints and processes, and biomanufacturing. These are all the various application that today it is there. Now, there has been a paper by Mika Salmi, and he has published a paper on additive manufacturing process in medical applications in a journal called Materials. And he has answered some questions like, what are the benefits of additive manufacturing in medical applications, and how they can be utilized in the applications. What are the example materials today, as on date? What are the materials that have been founded for these kind of applications? And based on the findings, he discusses what process and application that could be used for the future potential also. But the profound thing is that we also have heart, the models which has been scanned and then modeled on the solid model can be printed in a flexible material. The material gets printed and then in the form of heart. Okay, so this is an ongoing research, and then the applications are ever expansion mode, and the future is highly promising. So these are some of the references that I have used, and I look forward to on another topic. And so till then, it's bye from me for now. Let's close this chapter now. Okay, thank you very much. I have to close this once again. Yeah.